Good morning. This video is another in our series of informational videos on the Russian geometry research that's been done in Russia, demonstrating health, environmental, agricultural, psychological benefits of Russian geometry pyramids. Before we start, I have to tell you a little humorous thing. If for those of you who've been seeing these videos before, I was just thinking of Donald Trump's admonition to his supporters, I hope you never get tired of winning. Well, I hope you all never get tired of hearing about all of the wonderful things that pyramids and specifically the Russian geometry pyramids can do for you, because today's is a real doozy. Today's video is entitled Russian Geometry Pyramid Dramatically Reduces Airborne Environmental Poisoning. Now, as background, you'll see on the front page, since its inception, the Aksaraysky, if I said that right, Aksaraysky gas condensate plant in Astrakhan, Russia, had been poisoning and polluting the surrounding environment, spewing huge amounts of radon, hydrogen sulfide, and other environmental toxins into the air. Due to the extent of the pollution, all the villagers within a 30-kilometer, which is about 19-mile radius or zone, had been resettled due to the toxins from the plant. But the city of Narimanov is 40 kilometers, 25 miles away. But the city is downwind from the plant, so it was still being severely affected by the environmental pollution. Now, if you look at the map that I just put up, you'll see kind of the relationship here. Astrakhan is located to the southeast of Narimanov, and both towns are located on the Volga River. But you can see between the two towns, there's basically nothing in between, because all of that area had been resettled when this plant, I guess, was originally built. Going back to the first page, the proposal that was developed, the general director of the plant sent a representative to see Dr. Golod to discuss the idea of constructing a Russian geometry pyramid near the plant in Astrakhan in hopes of remediating some of the environmental pollution. And subsequently, a 22-meter pyramid was built on the Volgograd-Astrakhan highway, which we saw on that previous map, between the plant and the city of Narimanov. And finally, the results, which are just amazing. Data collected by the city health department indicate that prior to the installation of the pyramid, there are an average of 550 to 650 cases of environmental poisoning per year in the city. However, in the first year after the pyramid was constructed, the number of reported poisoning cases dropped to 208. And in the second year, there were only 70 poisonings reported. And in the following year, there were only a few isolated poisoning cases. And after that, a few years later, the city health department just stopped keeping statistics because of the drastic decline in the reported poisonings. What a dramatic impact on a localized environmental area. But also think about the fact that this pyramid, 22 meters tall, about 65, 70 feet tall, had this dramatic an impact that far away on the environment. Now, we're going to have some other information in future videos which go into this in greater detail. But what a tremendous job this pyramid did in remediating the airborne environmental pollutants and subsequently reducing dramatically the amount of environmental related poisonings in the nearby community. Certainly something for us to think about and for the world to consider as a very cost-effective way of remediating our environmental problems. Hope this has been helpful, and as always, Please remember to ask your friends to watch these videos. Go to our website. Tune into our Only PVC Pyramids YouTube channel. And have a great day. Thanks for watching.